Bullock here, and for this video I want to show you how you can build a page around greatschools.org. So for this I am going to open up another tab and I'm going to go to greatschools.org/widget. Okay, once I am there, I'm going to come down here and choose the address or the zip code or even just the city or state. So for this one, if I just wanted to build this around Georgia, haven't tried this one before, so let's just go ahead and see if it'll work. Let's just build it around Georgia. I'm going to click out of it. Now, so this is interesting. It just brings you in a great school. So what if I actually did this around a city and let me hit that. Okay, so that's going to actually build it so you may get a little bit more focused. It's probably what you're going to want to do. Then the size of your widget is going to be fine at 640 by 500. You're going to give it your email address, and then you're going to come over and you're going to put in your URL of your website. Okay, so for this I typically like to come over to command, come here and actually copy my web address, the actual URL. I'm going to come over here and paste it in here. I'm going to accept the terms of condition and get a widget code. Now, because I haven't built my page yet, we do actually need to come over and build a new page to put this widget into. So I'm going to come and create a new page. I'm going to do it on my agent site and hit create. Now once I'm in here, I am actually going to come down to the layout blocks and I'm going to grab the third section. So these are 3 equal sections. And to do that, all I do is hold down my mouse over it and drag it over. And you'll see the green line, and that means you're inserting it right there. Now you may not see that there's actually 3 boxes, but if you hover over them, you will actually see 3 boxes. So for the next thing, I need to come up to the content blocks, and I am going to grab text, and I'm going to grab text and insert it in the middle, or in the middle box, and drop it in there. You can see insert your text here. Okay, so for this I'm now going to make sure that this is all highlighted. I'm going to come over to the greatschools.org, come in here and copy this code, come back to the website, and where I've highlighted, I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, so because this is not actually a widget, nothing would show up once you tried to make this live. You actually do need to come then up to the widget page, and I like to typically drop in a contact form. So I'm going to drop that contact form in there. Once it's in there, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come down and hit configure widgets. And it's going to bring up and ask me, is this everything that you want? Is this all correct? And I'm going to hit save and apply. Matter of fact, first of all, I'm going to come up here and hit Swanee Schools. For some reason, I have a mental block about naming my things. Now I'm going to come down and hit save and apply. And I'm going to come up here and hit save changes. And then once we go back out to our home page here, you can see that it has created this page, yet it's not live. So I do need to then come up here to the site and app settings, go to site pages, and I'm going to add a page. I'm going to come out here and find the page and hit continue. Now I'm going to come up here and give this, I'm just going to put Great Schools in Swanee. On this one, I could just put Swanee -schools. check out the school ratings. Whoops. Here. Okay, and now you'll see it's down here, and all I have to do is then hit Save Page Changes. We'll come back up to the agent site pages. I'm going to click on the website, and let's go out and see if it worked. And there it is. So this is a very interactive map that your clients can then look at on your website. Just remember, you can only actually have 10 pages. So you can have the 3 additional pages. You can have 3 pages and then 7 additional pages that you build out. So if you start getting too many out here, you will not be able to build any more. So just wanted to make sure that you understand that. So hope you find this video helpful. Go out and make it a great day.